Hey there, welcome to the Complete Guide to Budgeting for Beginners. I know budgeting can seem overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down into easy steps. First things first, let's talk about why budgeting is important. It helps you take control of your finances, set financial goals, and ultimately, achieve financial freedom. Now let's get started with step 1, tracking your expenses. Make a list of all your income and expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Step 2, set financial goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Maybe it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a car, or paying off debt. Whatever it is, having clear goals will keep you motivated. Next up, step 3, create a realistic budget. List your monthly income and then allocate it to different categories like rent, groceries, entertainment, and savings. Remember to prioritize your needs over wants. Step 4, track your spending. Keep a record of every penny you spend. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save even more. Step 5, adjust your budget as needed. Life happens and your expenses may change. Review your budget regularly and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. Finally, step 6, save, save, save. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings. Start with an emergency fund and then work towards long-term goals like retirement or buying a home. Congratulations, you've just learned the basics of budgeting. Remember, it's all about discipline and consistency. Stick to your budget and watch your financial future flourish. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks on personal finance.